Yeah, my brothers, my sisters, I believe that most of you have watched this video where they trend online concerning this our sister Chinenye, where our brother here saw am in the night where she dey waka, she no know where she dey go. Our brother, now he be the person where find this girl in the night where this girl dey stranded. So we want to hear from him so that he can tell us what really happened. So, sir, please, what is your name, please, sir?
Okay, Oguka Kamsorochukwu Simon. Oguka Kamsorochukwu Simon.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, actually, what happened that last night was I was alerted about the girl that she was stranded. So I was alerted that the girl was stranded. So when I needed to go to that place, I had an emergency. So I have to attend to that emergency. So before I could finish the emergency, it has become a little bit late. That was why that recording or interview was done almost late hour. It was not the time I got the information about her. So that is what happened. Then after the emergency, I rushed to the place where they kept the girl. So and I saw her and I interviewed her. That was the interview we saw on Facebook that is now trending. So that is what happened. Then I decided to post it on Facebook to know if I can get in touch with her people or her father or something of that nature. So that is what happened.
Okay, but you said that somebody told you that the lady they're stranded.
Yes. I was called because the person she hanged near their house was the person that called me. That person wasn't around. So, and based on what has happened before, because according to them, the last person that tried to help that girl, her aunt called police for the person. So based on that, they didn't want to get involved much, So they needed somebody like me who knows how to handle this kind of a thing. So that was why they called me. So, and I promised to come there, which I didn't make it on time due to the emergency that I had. You understand? So this is what happened. So I was called, actually. So that's what happened.
So, okay. So now, that lady don't back out from their house before.
Yes, it appears to be, yes, she has done that already. Yes.
That means something is wrong.
Yes, according to her, she told me, although this is not the first time, according to her interview, she has done that before, and this is the second time, if I'm not mistaken. So she has, according to her, that she was chased out of the house. So this is being that she testified to the police against the wish of her aunt. You understand? So, and she received a beating for that, and an eviction as well, according to what she said, that I wasn't there. So that's what happened.
Okay, you get what you talk now. What she told police, what is that, please?
According to her, she said that her aunt or her auntie called police for one woman like that we have assisted her.
Okay.
And the woman, as arranged, went to her auntie on her behalf, and they had a misunderstanding or quarrel in the process. The woman decided, the auntie now decided to go and call police for the woman. Even as of that yesterday, the woman has not answered the police call before this second one started happening.
Yes.
So the police now invited her because it was a case of kidnapping, allegedly kidnapping against the woman.
Huh.
So the Chinenyeze told the police that it was a false claim by her auntie, that she was not kidnapped, that actually the woman was of help to her.
Okay.
So when police now told her auntie that the person you said that was kidnapped is saying otherwise.
Okay.
So then she now came back to the house and started beating her, according to what she said, while we cheated the police that she wasn't kidnapped. So that is what happened, according to what she said.
Okay, but what is our next plan now? What is our next plan?
Yes, I have contacted the office of the Women Affairs, OCA, which I had an appointment with them, which I have also, I have promised them that I will bring the girl because they are in the best position to ascertain which is which. Because I also saw a video where they said that she's packed out of the house.
Yes, I saw the video online.
Yes,
I saw it
and
online.
that video, when I saw it, I said, well, I'm not in position to disprove it, but come to think of it, why would they be recording her when she's packing out of the house? Knowing full well the condition this country is today,
Yes.
the way people are missing, people are being killed, disemboweled, sold in body parts. Why would a right-thinking person record somebody at that age leaving the house instead of trying to stop her? If that girl received a beating because they are trying to prevent her from leaving the house, I will give them credit for doing that instead of recording her when she is leaving. According to the video.
Yes.
You know, so come to think of it, if the girl were to be their biological sister or daughter, would they just leave allow her to go like that?
Leave her like that, just
yes.
like that.
Then what if she entered into a bigger problem? Where would they now post that video? That video that they documented as evidence to prove that she packed out of the house on her own, where will they post it if the girl were nowhere to be found again, or if her body was found on the road?
Hey.
Yeah, will they now post it that she left the house on her own accord? You know, but I'm not in position to say which is which or which is what. That was why I contacted the Ministry of Women Affairs, you know, and we have scheduled an appointment, and I will honor it with the girl. As of now, I believe she's in a good hands. And to my greatest surprise, up till now, I have received many calls, people from Oga, offering all sorts of help to help the girl. But to my greatest surprise, I have not received anything from the girl's immediate family, either from her father or from even the aunt or whatever. You know, but I have received so many messages from people across the country. People I don't even know who is even asking me how would they get the guy get to know the girl or even help her. Some even offering to adopt her legally just to make sure the girl have a good life. But up till now, I have not heard from that from her father or from her auntie or from her immediate relative. So I still don't know what is happening. And forget to tell me that she doesn't have her father's number at her age. That's a kind of excommunication for me. She doesn't have a phone. At 18, supposed to at least have, even if it's not care touch, that she'll be communicating with her dad.
Yes.
So I don't know why. I don't know what is happening, because I will not allow my daughter to be up to 18 without having at least Nokia touch, especially if she's living with somebody, even if that person is my mother or my auntie or my sister. At least that phone will open a channel of communication between me and her to know which is which and which is what. But there was no source. According to what she said, she doesn't know the number of her father. She doesn't communicate with him, and it's not a good thing. And up till now, the man has not reached out.
Right.
So I don't know the fundamental root of the problem. I don't know. So that's why I wanted the Ministry of Women Affairs to get involved and to know exactly what is happening and see if they can help. Yes. A girl like that, if proper care is not taken, all these people who are doing human trafficking,
yes,
if they get hold of that girl, they will traffic her to Ghana or Cameroon, where they should be into prostitution and the rest of it. And if you look at her, you see that she's not bad looking. They will like to use her for such, which is not good for the society. So I don't know why her guidance or her parents will take that risk of even recording her to keep evidence when she's leaving, instead of preventing her from leaving. Yeah, ndị Oga, I must say this, they were talking about Igwe. When I say yes, Igwe an authority, Igwe demand there for the girl that I can take the girl to the Igwe. Now I'm outside the Igwe, and the only place also on the girl to the Ministry of Women Affairs. The only other hand, they exchange the girl with. Now brought these two authorities, you know. I found out that now many people are got interested in the girl. I wouldn't mind they will make it now. I would do a more interview and post for people to see.
Okay.
And now I'm inviting you. About na get jeketa, you work each or ebia. You gotta go isoru ki we now for because I'm social media or yebujo brunki or yebujo brunki. I begin to see different versions of the stories. But I want in the certain. Had it been that we didn't see that girl, and take care of her. You never can tell what next that will happen. This society is not it's not good that you allow such girl to be wandering just like that. And I must say this, I have 2 daughters. So when I saw that girl, I was like, what if this girl were to be my daughter? You understand? And you know what it's like to leave a girl child outside in this our current situation. There is ritual killing and prostitution here and there. So I did what I had to do for the benefit of humanity and for my own good as well, because whatever I did for that girl today might surely come back to me tomorrow. So that is my motivation of doing what I did. My intention was to secure the girl, because if I didn't do so, tomorrow will judge me. Yes. So that's exactly what I did. And some people we are saying all sorts of things. There are people who are saying you could have contacted her, could have do this, do that, you could have contacted her auntie, this and that. The girl is old enough to say what she wanted. She's 18, according to what she said. Yes. And she has indicated that she is not no longer interested in going back to their house. And come to look at it, when you watch that video where they recorded her, you will see that house is a very big house. So what will make somebody to leave such a house and be wandering on the street looking for a place to sleep when she already had a mansion at her disposal? Something must be wrong somewhere.
It's true.
You understand me?
It's true.
The environment she left was supposed to be a safe haven for her. So something must be going on in that place. That is what I want the Ministry of Women to find out.
Okay.
To make sure that such things didn't continue.
Okay. You're not right. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. So
you too.
Very soon, by the special grace of God, we are going to see the lady and we will hear from her mouth. So thank you, sir. You really do a great work. In fact, email SB, God will bless you and God will reward you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you too.